Now, we have made a lot of videos on very many things. Now it is time to mix up the videos so that I need to make some video. So today I will tell about the frequently asked questions and the most important small tips which a uh, up to 1 month old child's mother or father and parents need to know. Now, first question is uh, uh, I have mentioned as in 5 things a newborn baby's parent should know. That video you need to see. That will include how to remove gas, how to calm the baby, and how to remove jaundice, how to increase milk, and emergency medicines. That is a separate video in YouTube. You just search Dr. K. Babu space in between DRK space Babu and space newborn, and you will get this video, 5 things video. This is something else. In addition to those things, what will you do for head care? It is very important. My secret is I bought a Raika takia. In Hindi we call Raika takia. It is a pillow which has mustard seeds inside. Is mustard seed pillow. You can buy any normal pillow, and in between that gap of that pillow you keep a small bag of mustard seeds. That is also good. Okay, and it will cost you around 200 250 to 300 rupees. You can get it from in Chandigarh. There is a 41 sector Krishna market. You can go there and small baby shop, you ask them to give Raika takia. They'll give a pillow made of mustard seeds. Very important. It will, one thing, it will prevent head flattening. It will have electrostatic force, and it will be a very good for brain development of baby also. Acupressure effect is also there for that. It is very good. That is one tip. You need to make sure the head doesn't go flatten. For that there is only two options. Raika takia I told, mustard seed pillow, and in addition to that extra sunlight, and make sure the baby positioned equally every time. Sometimes what happens, mother sleeps on the left side, father sleeps on the right side. They don't interchange. The mother will be feeding from only one breast at a time during the night, and the baby's head will at that area will be flattened. Next important thing which usually neck rashes. You always need to, even if you are feeding also, you need to keep an extra cloth over the neck so that the milk doesn't go much into the deeper aspect of the skin of the neck. Because kuklu papers is all double chin and triple chin and four chin. So in between there will be milk, and they will get rash. Milk not due to milk. It is due to milk is consumed by fungus. Fungus also like milk. So at that time there will be a rash. So that you need to do. Now, vomit up to 3 vomits is okay. 24 hours. Now, what are the reasons for vomit? Excess of gas going in during the feeding is the most common reason, and second reason is overfeeding. Baby is already satisfied and baby is fussy. People think that baby is asking for more milk, and there will be a confusion and overfeeding, and it overflows. What you can do is try to give more burping and keep the baby upright for 10-15 minutes. Vary from baby to baby. Some babies may not take burp very fast, so at that time somebody need to help the mother take the baby and go for a walk around. Okay, and another important thing is night sleep. Night sleep has extra milk and extra sunlight and extra massage. These are the three things which can improve the night sleep. Massage at around 8-9 o'clock, extra stomach massage also, and extra milk if required, and extra sunlight 4 o'clock evening. Okay, and gas removal, Colgate also you can start. That is very good medicine. And other companies, Colimex, this is also good medicine. These are natural. Janambutti and all unauthorized. They might contain some problems. They might have add some narcotics. Non-standardized preparation that we can't recommend. Not a good idea. And nose drops. Whenever there is sound, people will tell chhati bol rahe, chest is having noise. No. You are feeling the noise here. Mostly it is from the nose. You can put nose drops. I have put a video how to put nose drops that you can search. And what are the other problems which we usually faced? That is a nipple of the baby is getting swelled up. That happens. Because of mother hormones, nipple becomes larger. Sometimes even a few drops of milk will also come. Don't express or damage the nipple. Don't do anything. It will be there for a few months and it will vanish. Sticky eyes, you can put expressed mother milk. 4 drops every 4 to 6 hourly mother milk you can put and it will clear off mostly. If it isn't clear off, you can contact your doctor for some antibiotic eye drops. Now, mother nipple can get cut during the first few days, especially cesarean babies and all. Mother's positioning may not be proper and nipple can get cut. So you can see a video. I'll post a link in my YouTube channel as well as in Facebook regarding a proper feeding technique video that you can see. Now, baby require sleep. Babies might require 16 to 18 hours of sleep in the first month. So for making them sleep, you will have to remove the gas, extra sunlight, extra massage and extra feed. And interval of feeding. Some people tell 2 hour feed. You can't look into the clock and give a 2 hour feed. 2 hour or 1 hour feed is applicable if the doctor tells you, and if it's a very small baby and we have risk of sugar and all, then you will have to give. The big baby, if the baby is feeding too much, you want to sleep more of 3-4 hours, let the baby sleep. No issue. And extra milk. What about bottle? The risk of ear infection is with a low quality bottle. Bottle during the first month in certain babies lead to nipple confusion. They might forget the mother forever. But what is another reason for this is during the feeding, the mother and baby both are uncomfortable. Because to manage a bottle it is simple. To manage a breast it is difficult. The positioning is more difficult and more twisty and turny during breastfeeding. At that time baby will be irritated because the spine is under tension, the other things are under tension, the baby is under irritation. The bottle feeding is easier for mother as well as baby, but the difficult part is if you don't correct your position during the breastfeeding, baby will be irritated during breastfeeding and comfortable during bottle feeding and will prefer bottle over mother. So concurrently, most of the babies can take if the mother feeding technique is improved and mother milk is improved and mother is willing for more. What is the drawback of bottle feeding? If it is a low quality bottle and if it is very low quality plastic, one is infection, second is a lot of milk will go and baby can go choke the milk, or this milk can go into the ear and other things. If it is a high quality bottle, the baby will take time and the flow will be regulated. High quality bottle, like I use PGN company is good, Chico company is good. High quality, very costly bottles, 250 rupees bottle. Other thing is 100 rupee bottle, 50 rupee bottle, Indian made. Made in India is good, but for quality you will have to go for high quality Indian companies. Now, a baby, how long baby need to kept in the godi, in the arms? See, if the baby is crying, you should definitely pick the baby up and calm the baby. That video I have put, but it is important. Don't allow the baby to cry excessively. That is bad. That will create more problems. Baby will cry more. Now, other few mistakes, umbilical care. Don't have to apply betadine. Don't apply betadine, please request. No betadine. No povidone iodine solution. No any other iodine. Iodine you should not apply on umbilicus. You can apply normal hand sanitizer spirit. You can apply that. That is enough. Now, another important thing is care of the genital area and bumps. You can use wipes, high quality wipes. In India we have Johnson company, that is good quality, Chico company, that is very good quality, Himalaya company is good quality. What I use is I use Johnson company wipes as well as Chico wipes. So these wipes is a very big wipe and one wipe will cost you 2-3 rupees. For a initial babies, they might pass stool for 10 times, 15 times. So at that time it may not be economical for you, because one 250 rupee, 220 rupee wipe set will finish off in a week. So it may not be economical for an average middle class family. What you need to do, you can cut the wipes and make it into 8, 16 or four pieces for potty, or small things for cleaning the neck and all. You can use 8 pieces. You cut the wipes so that you can be economical, but make sure you store it in an airtight container. Cut it and keep it in an airtight bottle so that it don't evaporate and get wasted. That is a good idea. But without wipes, if you try to wash it with soap and other things, there will be injury to the skin and you will cause more problems. So make sure. And what about diaper? You can apply a rash cream and put diaper. Rash cream, extra wipe cleaning, meticulous cleaning, that is enough for bum care. So hips care is over. And another bathing mistake in the cold season to come, people accidentally might after warming the water bath, they will go and search for batches, clothes, babies, soap and other things. What will happen by the time they come back? Every water will be cold. So make sure you arrange everything, then warm and ready the water, and then use. For bathing, you can use a high quality soap. What I use is Teddy Bar. It is good. The Moisol is good. There are good Sindet based company. Good. Even Johnson is also good. That is also non-Sindet based, but it is also good. But high quality soap you can use. And Johnson non-tear formula for cleansing, that is good enough. We have used it. There is no side effect. Rashes in the first few weeks is due to naturally babies will have erythema toxicum neonatal. Don't get confused by the word. It is a normal rash. So you don't have to worry about rash. So usually due to Johnson product, nowadays they have increased their quality. No rashes we have seen. So these are the main frequently asked question. Now what shampoo? Shampoo also you can use a good shampoo, mild shampoo. How frequently you need to bath the baby? Once in a day during the summer season, but make sure neck area, hips area are cleaned at least once in a day. Don't rub the baby like a utensil. It's a baby. You need to use proper wipes and soft clothes. Now what are the shopping things in addition you need to have? If the father in addition to these moisturizers, the father can have a carry bag for the baby. And the fathers, it will be a lot of help if you have this. With neck support if it is a small baby. There are a lot of companies, it will cost around 1200 for an average Indian company. It will cost around 300-350 rupees. But for Indian company, you will have to give extra head support. That you need to understand. Till 1 month, 1.5, 2 months, you will have to give a head extra. After 3 months, by the time neck will be controlled there, you will get away without neck support. So this will be around costly thing. This is but very useful. Why? For calming the baby, you won't have strain on your back, arms and other things. Especially fathers will find it very enjoyable to take care of the baby. Now diapers, you can use it. Average consumption in the initial few days will be around 200-300 diapers per month during the first month. That much tools they might pass, and eventually it will decrease to about 5 per day. That will be around 100-150 per month. That is because the stool output of the baby will also come down. Now clothing during the winter season, one layer extra in addition to what the parents wear. And make sure you give subsidy to all the states. It's not like Uttar Pradesh gets more subsidy and Kerala and Tamil Nadu doesn't get anything. Madhya Pradesh doesn't get anything. The Punjab and Arunachal Pradesh doesn't get anything. So you need to give subsidy not only to Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, but Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Kashmir also. Extra care. Okay? Every organ need to be covered. Even clothing like a jumpsuit you can buy and keep. So jumpsuit is the shopping you need to do for winter. And for regarding birth certificate, one many mistake we people do is during the birth certificate, when you make it pakka birth certificate, make sure there is one name and make it pakka. And all initials and all caste and all whatever you want to put, you put it correctly. Because changing that frequently will take time. And in Chandigarh, color copy of birth certificate is 400 rupees. So you can download the birth certificate copy color version and get it printed for 10 rupees. That is enough. It is the same quality. You don't have to pay extra 400 for Modi. If you are interested in both, you can pay. But this is something, birth certificate, don't make mistakes. In the Aadhaar and other things and all, when you give it, you need to give the correct name. And not like mother's name is Kuttu, because in the house you call is Tannu, Mannu. That is you can't give. Correct name you should give. Okay? These are the things you need to. Extra shopping for winter, I would recommend is jumpsuit and a carry bag. Okay? Other accessories like small finger things and all, and nails. You cover it with mittens, otherwise baby will injure the face and the skin also. So these are the main things, and sometimes baby will have some white deposit over the tongue, milk deposit. Any vitamin drops you can apply, it will get solved out. If it is too much of oral thrush and white curdy like deposit, then you will have to give some antibiotics or something. Antifungal things are available that you can give. But mainly these are the first month care of the baby. You should be really careful. Another thing, last thing is, don't make the baby to sleep on the tummy during the first month. You can do it for 5 minutes and under supervision, but you should be really careful, because these people can vomit and cause problem. To remove the gas, see another video. Initial few days video, 5 things of newborn, you can search. Gas removal video is another video that you can search. These are the common frequently asked questions video. You need to revisit it. It will be a good entertainment for the grandparents, as well as for the parents also, because these are all small tips, new generation tips, because technology has improved. That is why we are giving these tips. And these are also, I have put up some cost saving measures also, because everybody is because petrol is 80 rupees, 85 rupees, so everybody want to save a few pennies. That also I have mentioned. And head care, brain tip improvement, everything as I mentioned. Head to toe I have mentioned. Okay? You can share these videos with other people so that they will also find it helpful. Take care. Have a good day.